What are their aesthetics and what is their thought behind creating this particular collection? What is their motive?
And then we start brainstorming from there. In the backstage, when the models are about to go in the runway, you get an adrenaline high, and the rush and all is like, it doesn't compare to anything, and you feel like you're high.
For me, the professional space should be very calm.
And should be kind to each other also as well, no? Because working with people who like each other, who are open for suggestions and all that is very important. My aesthetic is very clean skin and all that. So it will say never forget to hydrate, moisturize your skin before putting foundation.
Please do not get straightening done, guys. Stop it. And people who have curly hair, please don't comb when it's dry. Only comb when it's wet.
Less is more, and so don't cake up your face. You don't need so much. Let the skin breathe.